got your inquiry on the email. I'd like to show you the yellow Mustang. We've added the stripes here in the front. It's a one owner, leather interior. The base price $25,465. Chrome handles. It's leather interior with the Shaker 1000 stereo system. Everything's power windows, power locks.
Shut that door.
Notice the chrome in the back, chrome here, chrome. Still under warranty. This is a one owner local trade, 8-cylinder, 4.6 fuel injection, injected. With only 8,638 miles. And again, I'm Tammy Leak at Larry Hill Ford, so give me a shout at 650-8860 or 472-5454.